date upon the registration of your business and on or before January 31 thereafter. Ang annual registration fee ay nagkakahalaga ng 500 pesos. Ang mga sumusunod ay kailangang magrehistro at magbayad ng annual registration fee. Una, individuals na engage sa business. Pangalawa, individuals that are practicing professions. Pangatlo, mixed income earners. At ang pangapat ay non-individuals income earners tulad ng corporation, association, at iba pa. Under the Revenue Memorandum Order Number 7/2015, failure to file, pay, and display BIR Form 0605 Annual Registration Fee shall result to a compromise penalty of 1,000 pesos or criminal penalty of imprisonment of not more than 6 months.
You can file your annual registration fee through manual filing, EBIR forms, and EFPS. Para sa manual filing, maaari ninyong makuha ang mga form sa kahit saang opisina ng BIR o maaari din itong ma-download sa internet. Hanapin lamang ang link sa description box na nasa baba. For those who opt to use EBIR forms, this is what you have to do. First step is to download the EBIR form system. We have made a step-by-step tutorial on how to download the system. Para malaman, ito ay hanapin lamang sa link na nasa description box. Step 2. After downloading and installing the system, choose the BIR Form 0605 in the list of forms na makikita sa EBIR Forms homepage. Step 3. Let's now discuss each item on the BIR Form 0605. Item number 1. Accounting period. You can choose between calendar and fiscal year. Sa calendar year, the accounting period follows the normal yearly cycle na nagsisimula sa January 1 at nagtatapos sa December 31 ng bawat taon. Fiscal year naman kung ang iyong accounting cycle ay nagsisimula sa anumang buwan ng taon maliban sa January at matatapos sa anumang buwan ng taon maliban sa December. Item number 2. Year ended. If you're following a calendar year, ang dapat mong ilagay ay December to be followed by the applicable year. If you're following a fiscal year, you must indicate the month other than December depending on what month end you're following. For example, this year's annual registration is for the year 2023. Item number 3, quarter. Ito naman is for the applicable quarter of your tax return. If it's not applicable, you can skip this part. Item number 4, due date. For calendar year, the due date is January 31 for each new year. Item number 5, the number of sheets attached. You may ignore this part as it is not applicable. Item number 6, ATC or the alphanumeric tax code. Para sa mga VAT, non-VAT taxpayers, ang ATC code ay MC180. Item number 7, return period. Ito naman is for applicable period of your registration fee, which is until the end of the year. For example, this year, you can put 12/31/2023 o December 31, 2023. Item number 8, tax type. For registration fee, choose RF in the selection. Item number 9, the taxpayer identification number. Input your taxpayer identification number or your TIN number. Kung kayo ay nag-ooperate lamang bilang branch office, importante na malagyan ng branch code. Item number 10, the RDO code. RDO stands for the Revenue District Office. It is where your business is registered. Para sa mga taxpayers ng Surigao City, Surigao del Norte, Siargao Islands, and Dinagat Islands, gamitin ang RDO 105. You can also check it on your Certificate of Registration o makikita sa COR. Item number 11, Taxpayers Classification. Para sa mga individual taxpayers gaya ng sole proprietors, self-employed, freelancers, or practicing professions, piliin ang I. N naman para sa non-individual taxpayers gaya ng corporation and partnerships. Item number 12, Line of Business o Occupation. Type your line of business of your profession. You may check this on your Certificate of Registration or COR. Item number 13, Taxpayer's Name. Para sa mga individual taxpayers, type your name using the format last name, first name, and middle name. Para naman sa mga non-individual taxpayers, type the registered name of your corporation or partnership. Item number 14 to 16, telephone, address, zip code. Ilagay ang inyong telephone, address, at zip code sa mga sumusunod. Item number 17, manner of payment. On the others specified, type annual registration fee. Number 18, the type of payment. Choose full payment. Item number 19, the basic tax, deposit, advance payment. Type the amount of registration fee, which is 500 pesos only. Item number 20, penalties. You can skip this if you're paying for registration fee on time. However, for late filing and payment, please proceed to the nearest BIR office for the computation of your penalties. Item number 21, total payable. The e-BIR forms and EFPS system will automatically compute the total payable. Once done, you can now proceed to the next step. Step number 4. Click the Validate button to check if you have not missed any items. Then click Save to save. Step number 5. Click the Submit Final Copy button and wait for the confirmation email that is sent to your email address. Pag na-receive mo na ang confirmation email, you can now proceed to payment.
You can pay your annual registration fee through the following. Una, sa authorized agent bank. Ito ay ang mga bangko na authorized na tumanggap ng mga tax payments kung saan nakarehistro ang iyong negosyo. Pangalawa, kung walang authorized agent bank sa inyong lugar, maaari kayong pumunta sa Revenue Collection Officer o RCO na nakadestino sa inyong munisipalidad. Pangatlo, you can also use the BIR e-payment channels gaya ng Land Bank e-services, Union Banks, GCash, at iba pa. Para ma-access ang mga ito, hanapin lamang ang link na nasa description box below. Kailangan mong tandaan na magrehistro bago mag-operate ang iyong negosyo. Sa video na ito, we discuss